Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
It's a number, it's an Ives CL12, Ives CL12, invisible latch. And I was just wondering if you could use that invisible latch on a regular 3070 solid core wood door.
Well, the manufacturer would not say the answer is yes, but I can tell you that I'm aware that it has been installed in that application countless times.
And it does work.
It does work, but every time that it's been done, I've always recommended that you order the CL14 along with it, the auxiliary pusher.
CL14. Okay, I'll take a look at that. Do you have that in your catalog too?
Yeah, just type in CL14, Charlie Lima,
okay.
14. The other thing that I would say is be sure that you're mounting the latch in the area where you're going to be pushing on the door, meaning if you're going to push that at a standard height of, say, 44 inch off the floor, don't install it at 80 inch off the floor because there'll be inherent flex in the door.
Right.
So, and be mindful to very literally interpret the installation instructions. Because if the positioning of the latch body in relationship to the face of the door is incorrect, you'll be pulling that door open to break the latch just to get it back open. It's a pitfall some people, seem to get quagmired in.
Well, I was looking at something online, and some guy was saying that, what did he say? He said that you need at least 3/16 of an inch from the face of the door to the face of the stop so that you have the room to push this thing in to activate it.
Sounds right.
3/16. What's that?
Sounds right.
Okay. So you're saying, say that again. If you put it in wrong, then it's going to be very hard to get the door open.
Well, what I said was interpret the installation instructions literally.
Yeah.
Follow them. If you do not permit the 3/16 dimension that you're referring to,
yeah.
If it's too small and you get that door latched, you will not be able to push it in far enough to unlatch it.
Oh, I see. I got you.
Yeah.
That 3/16 is critical.
The word critical would fall far short of the importance of the term in this application.
Okay. Good thing I watched the thing on YouTube. I'm going to let the carpenter know. But the CL14, that's an auxiliary latch to help push it open. Where do you mount the CL14? The same right near the CL12, or is that someplace else?
No, I'd put it above or below the CL12.
Okay. Okay. All right. Let me ask you something. Ives, Ives is actually owned by Asa Abloy, right?
No, sir. No.
Is Ives independent still?
No, neither. Ives, I don't know the last decade. Ives was an independent company. I'm 50 years old, and I bet Ives hasn't been independent since mid 20th century. Ives is owned by Allegion. Allegion is if Asa Abloy is Godzilla, Allegion is King Kong.
Oh, okay.
So You've got the right type of multi-billion-dollar corporation, just wrong side of the scrimmage line. So Allegion owns Ives, Anschlag, LCN, Von Duprin, et cetera.
Well, it seems like these big corporations bought up all these hardware companies.
Not all of them, but darn near all of them. And it's a good thing and a bad thing. There are some good points and there are some bad points.
What about getting an Ives catalog? Or can you actually? I guess you look it online. I'd like to have something in paper, but never mind. Never mind. I'm 60 years old, so I'm aging myself.
Well, I'm not too terribly far behind you, and the fact of the matter is, we'd probably need a time machine to get a printed copy of it. The nice thing about the PDF is I can hit Control F on my keyboard, and I can find it a lot faster than I can flip pages.
Well, that's true. Okay, what's your name, sir? You've been
Richard.
very helpful.
I'm probably the guy in the video.
You're Richard. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, fine. You're the guy in the video.
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, all right, very good. My name's Miles Olson. He needs one of these for a hidden door, and he asked me to do him a favor and get it for him. So I'm just trying to source it right now. So
In stock, ready to ship.
In stock. Both of them are in stock. Both items.
Sure.
Okay. Where are you guys located, by the way?
Southern Florida, but I might be able to ship these out of Vernon Hills.
Oh, Vernon Hills. Okay. You have. The only thing when I think of Vernon Hills, there's a big supplier, Bear Supplies up in Vernon Hills.
Yeah, it wouldn't come from Bear.
No. But you have your own distributing.
Yeah, we have a facility up in the northern suburbs.
Oh, okay. How many facilities do you have, like, around the country?
I don't know a hard number, but strategically placed: Midwest, East Coast, Southwest, Pacific Northwest.
Okay. All right. How's business been for you?
It's been one half of it's bad, the other half is good. I mean, we have a client that supplies temporary wall structures to the hospital industry. So their business has gone up by orders of magnitude since February. Mm-hmm. So where we lose a lot of business with people calling to order CL12s, we're now selling a pallet loads of keyed Schlage lever locks because that's what they use. So it's unfortunate it doesn't happen all at once, but a loss on one side is a gain on the other side. So it's evened out. Could certainly be a lot worse, that's for sure.
Okay. All right. Well, all right, Richard, very nice talking to you, and thanks for the information. I'm gonna present this first to the general that this is what I want to recommend, and then if he says okay, go ahead and get it, then I'll just order it from your company. I'll just order it online and get it moving. So.
Or give a call. We can enter it pretty quickly on the telephone.
Okay. All right. That'll work. All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you for calling, sir.
All right. Take it easy. All right. Bye.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.